Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Polka Dot House. Today I will teach you how to make a raglan sleeve. Okay, this is the raglan sleeve. I've already traced center front block bodies. I will give you a very important point in doing a raglan sleeve. You need to make sure that the graph line of the cross in the front and in the back is there. The cross is very important in doing a raglan sleeve. So it's the same thing in the center back. We will put the graph line for the cross back. So this is your cross back. And then I will show you how to do the sleeve. And then this is the traced pattern of the sleeve. This is our straight grain. Now I will show you very simple technique, important hint. It will help you. Okay, now first what you can do, so from here in the tip of the armpit, no, you will go higher by an inch. The same thing in the other side. Okay, from here you will go out by 3/8, or you can say 1 centimeter, and you will go out here 3/8 or 1 centimeter, and then from there you will connect that going to 1 inch higher. So here, right? So this is the 1 inch. So the same thing here. I hope you are following, huh? So the 1 inch is there. And then from there, you will connect the new mark of your front. To do that, I will show you. Fold this one. Alright. You can fold this. Together there. Okay, that's it. Let's cut this. This is your front. You need to go to the back. So what you can do, just connect that one. Let's put first pencil because we need to check this measurement and this measurement should be same. Okay, now cut this. By the way, my pattern has no allowance, okay? Once you perfect everything, you can trace a new pattern with an allowances. Okay, so this is now your new pattern, and then we will cut that. Okay. So this is your front. You can make more scoop there, so you will be having a very nice slope. Right now we need to check the measurement of the new head of the sleeve. The first, the block is this is 18 1/4. And then let's check the new head. $18 1/4. So it's perfect. It's same. Maybe you are wondering, why did I do this? Okay, this is a gusset, so that you will not put an extra triangle or like an extra moon shape under the arm to lift. You need to understand that we are doing a body pit raglan, so it should be not totally exactly, but at least it's fit in the arm, it's fit in the skin. So the armpit, you have a movement, so when you dance you can move. I'll show you now how to do the raglan. Given this size 42 of the front, and then in your sleeve, this is the front, and then this is the back. So what we can do, this is your cross front, right? Our design that we show you, like that, right? We will do like this design. Okay, now, so this is your graph line. From there, what you can do, we can do also like this, pointed, but the thing is, it's more easy if this is round. It's more easy for you to stitch. So what you can do, you will just make like that. You will drop the cross not more than an inch. So let's put this one like that. And then you can make a little bit lip here. So at least the shape is very nice. Or there. Alright, then let's put a mark. This is very important because later on you will see why we need this. And do not forget the straight green line marking. Let's put a mark here as well. Then let's get the front. This is your front, right? Your point, the under the arm there, and here, and there, and there. So this is your mark, right? So that mark, you will put here. Okay. So it's like that. Still this one. Okay. And this. And here you will put a very small dart. Like that. And then we will cut this. So this is your front. Okay, so this is your body, this is your raglan sleeve for the front, and then I will show you the back. So the same thing in the back. This is your graph line. You will drop this line at least an inch, and then you can make this a little bit high, so you will be having a very nice slope. Because if here it's too straight, then suddenly go there, no? So at least we can play with the shape. There, right? And then we put the notches. The more notches you have, the better. Then we will put two straight grain lines. Okay? Then let's put the sleeve. So it's the same thing here. You will put like that. I hope you are following. Make like this, like that, and put a mark. And then the same thing, put that one here. And connect this one there. There is a bit of overlapping there, but you have an excess there, so it's okay. Plus, when we cut this one, this is in the cross position, meaning this is in the bias position, so it will stretch. Because in cutting this one in the fabric, we need to make sure that the center back is in the straight grain, because you will put a zipper. 100% the sleeve is in bias position. But the main important thing, the zipper should be in the straight grain. Okay, let's cut this one. You can make a very nice slope there. Okay. We need to check this one. Okay, there is a small issue here. Look, around 1/8. Look, but you can blend that, or you can cut that very small thing. This will become straight. There. So let's cut that. This two line is your center back. You should cut it one in the straight grain. Let's cut this one. There. Okay. Now let's make visible those notches, because this is important. So that's it. Right? This is your raglan sleeve. To check this, I will cut in a material wherein I will use two different colors. At least there is a style, yeah? Okay. Thank you for watching, and I do hope you learned something today about the raglan sleeve. Please like and share, subscribe.